Hi, this is Brother Barnes, and let's calculate the formula of masses of each one of these compounds involved in this chemical reaction that we see here. Let's start with magnesium, and we'll start right about in here. I think you can see this. When I look on the periodic chart, it's on the left, and in the compound itself, before we apply coefficients, there's just one magnesium multiplied by 24.3 grams per mole. So when we say 1 times 24.3, we get 24.3 grams per mole of that. What about oxygen, diatomic oxygen? Well, there are 2 atoms in that, or 2 moles, and when we look that up, it's like 15.999, and we're going to round that to 16. That's what my lab teacher does. 2 times 16 is 32 grams per mole. And then lastly, before we balance the equation, the individual balance formula only has 1 mole of magnesium and 1 mole of oxygen. So let's break this down. Let's take magnesium and let's list the elements. It's one of those, and there is one of those, and we have already established that 24.3 is the value we get there. So 6 plus 4 is 10, and 1, that's 40.3 grams per mole. Okay, yikes. Let's do that one more time. I ran out of room here. Estudiantes. Magnesium is 1 times 24.3. Oxygen, there's one of them at 16. Let's add this. Let's use our calculator. 24.3 plus 16, 40.3. 40.3 grams in 1 mole of that. There you go. That's calculating the individual formula masses of each one of these compounds before we apply the coefficients. Coefficient is this number in the front.